Welcome to Tech Research. How to get ChatGPT Plus subscription absolutely free and how many days we are receiving the Plus subscription free of cost. Last 1.5 years continuously I am using ChatGPT Plus subscription absolutely free using my different ChatGPT accounts. So now let's start on my Mac screen. This one is one of my ChatGPT account for me, for you, and look at this here, free upgrade is not showing. If I refresh this one, so magic is happen. I'm eligible to claim ChatGPT offer plus absolutely free. How many days we are receiving the plus subscription free of cost? Let's simply claim here, bottom of the screen or top of the screen as well, just simply free offer. Boom, I'm eligible to access try plus for free 1 month. Same thing I use in last 1.5 years continuously, and I'm receiving this offer my different ChatGPT accounts, and I'm accessing the plus subscription absolutely free. Your AI assistant, today I need to pay here 0 Danish krona, it means $0. Limited time this offer is available. How you can claim this one? Just simply click here, claim offer. Getting your plan is ready, unlocking, and boom. So here how you can start this one, start your free plus trial, pay via Apple Pay or credit card, debit card. You should apply here as well. You can provide the credit card, debit card related information. After getting this subscription for free, you can cancel anytime, but still you are accessing this feature end of the month as well. So we'll remind you before trial end. They can send you email as well, messaging, uploading, more image creation, extended deep research and agent mode as well. So here as a payment perspective, I always use in Apple Pay. I just simply select here in Apple Pay. So Apple Pay point of view, I just use here my iPhone and scan this QR code, and I need to pay here 00 Danish krona. If I provide here confirmation, so processing payment is completed, and look at this here, your subscription is ready here, and here is not showing. If I refresh here, and afterward if I refresh here, so payment is completed, and afterward if I refresh here, my payment is successfully completed. I refresh simply. This is the my for me for you plan, and boom. So now look at this here, my account is showing plus subscription is activated. Using this process, you can very easily get ChatGPT Plus subscription absolutely free. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, so you can create each and every Gmail account specific ChatGPT account. Using this process, you can receive very easily monthly subscription for free plus. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.